Hello, today I'm going to turn this stamped flamingo image into a beautiful scene using masks and watercolours to create a birthday card. These are the design papers that I'm going to use. You'll see it's from the works. I've had it in my stash for quite some time. It's got these beautiful pastel colours but also these really pretty tropical designs, and they'll work really well with my topper. I've picked out these paper patterns from it, and as always I am going to go around those with some distress oxides. I've chosen the cracked pistachio for this one, and I'm going to use some antique linen on the cream coloured one here. Ooh, I'm very happy with how that's matched up. That is a perfect match. I'm going to go in with the cracked pistachio, but I'm going to go in slightly lighter this time. I'm going to go in a tiny bit more in the corners. There we go. All my layers are put together, and I've cut this watercolour cardstock using one of the Tattered Edges dies. And this is going to be what I'm going to put my main image on. I'm using this stamping set, which came free with this magazine, Creative Stamping issue 158. I have already stamped that image once on some masking paper. You can see that I've stamped that image onto my watercolour cardstock, and I've done that using VersaFine Clear because I know I can use that ink pad with my Kuretake real brush pens. What I want to do next is add this image as if it's in the background, but I need to be careful because otherwise it's going to look like the flamingo has odd parts sticking out of his head. So I have put the mask down already on the main image, but I'm just going to use a few other pieces of masking so I can hide bits so we don't get like random heads popping out of his head. I've covered up a few extra parts. All I have done is move those pieces of masking round and then move the stamp as well. Hopefully if we take this off, it should look like they're in the background and not growing out of his head. That is the watercolouring on my background done. I've just used these watercolours from the works, and now I'm going to colour the rest of the image with my Kuretake real brush clean colour pens. So to finish this off, I've just gone around the edge in some cute flamingo around the top, and then some tumbled glass around the bottom. And for my sentiment, which says "Have a flamazing birthday," I've actually cut up 2 stamp sets. So I've taken the "Have a" from this one, and then I've cut the flamazing from there and taken the birthday off that one, so I've actually cut them apart. And that's my card finished. I'm quite pleased with that. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and leave me a comment. Until next time, cheerio.